You might think this NutriBullet Pro looks less like a practical blender, but it actually is. Here's our proof. Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to another update at Healthy Kitchen 101. The NutriBullet Pro is more powerful than most personal blenders, passing all our tests with outstanding results. Given its impressive testing performance, we're confident that hardly anything will offer this blender a challenge. Let's take a closer look. Test number 1. Protein Shake. The NutriBullet Pro is amazingly capable when it comes to preparing protein shakes. In this test, it was the fastest contender, mixing a silky smooth workout drink in only 40 seconds. It blended well enough that we didn't need to shake the cup to promote contact between the food and the blades. The blades spin extremely fast, and together with the mighty motor, it allowed the blender to draw everything towards the blade and tear apart each at the same time without any struggle. 10 out of 10. You might notice there wasn't even a time that food clinged to the sides of the cup. There were also blenders that delivered the same result, such as the Ninja Fit, but they all demanded extra shaking or stirring to dislodge chunks trapped on or around the blades during the blending process. Efficiency aside, it's apparent that your NutriBullet Pro will also outperform its rivals in terms of use ease. Test number 2. Frozen Fruit Smoothie. The NutriBullet completed our smoothie in less than a minute, and its results were unparalleled. Our smoothie came out exceptionally vivid. Although there were still tiny flecks of raspberry skin and strawberry seeds, this is a common occurrence when it comes to processing such ingredients. 10 out of 10. It's worth noting here that there are no personal blenders that we tested that could produce such an ideal texture in the same time frame. Some couldn't even break down strawberries after a full minute. Test number 3. Fibrous Greens. Liquefying high-fiber whole food like leafy veggies is always a challenging task for personal blenders. But the NutriBullet's performance really made it stand out from the rest. It could break all the ingredients down into their finest state in only 20 seconds. We drained the completed drink through a mesh strainer and noticed it left behind very few leafy chunks. 9 out of 10. It could produce an even better result if we blended longer. Most of the machines we tested turned out very coarse blends on this test, such as the Magic Bullet. Test number 4. Crushed Ice Cubes. The NutriBullet Pro is not only capable of crushing ice cubes, it excels at it. We tested a myriad of personal blenders, and so far haven't found a single machine that can crush ice as fluffy as this one. 10 out of 10. It finished the test in about 40 seconds. A couple of ice chunks still remained solid, but it didn't look like the blades would be able to grab them. The overall score for our 4 performance test is 9.8 out of 10. Design. This blender has a build quality better than most of its rivals. It is also more pleasing to the eye, and neither the motor base nor the blading cups scratch easily. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel and has 6 prongs. Solidly built, it is even more heavy-duty than it seems on paper. Still, the manufacturer recommends that it not be used for grinding or as a regular ice crusher, since this may impair its efficiency and limit its lifespan. Be aware that the motor cannot run for longer than 1 minute at a stretch. If more time is needed, you should allow the motor to cool down for 20 to 30 seconds before continuing with the next 1 minute interval. There are 4 silicone feet on the bottom of the base to keep it steady during operation. So far, ours hasn't tried to bounce around on the counter even while tackling intensive tasks like crushing ice cubes. The rubber gasket built around the top is also very helpful. is meant to hold the cup tightly to the base, reducing the risk of leakage. On the other hand, we're quite disappointed about the power cord. It is so short that it often got pulled from the outlet while we were using it. There are 2 identical blending cups included. They both have a capacity of 32 ounces and can be used interchangeably with the extractor blade. The to-go lids feature flip-top spouts and screw on tightly to seal as well. We got no leakage even when we turned the cups upside down. As a nice bonus, this blender also comes with removable lip rings, which make the cups easier to sip from directly. 9.7 out of 10 for design. Usability. Assembly is the easiest part of using the NutriBullet Pro. Just screw the blade section onto your blending cup, turn it upside down, and push it down onto the motor base to start blending. Twist it clockwise to lock it in, and if you wish to remove it, just twist it counterclockwise and lift. While several personal blenders demand that we hold the cup in place throughout the operation in order to engage the motor, the NutriBullet Pro is more fun, since you can take your hands off your cup once it's locked in place. Cleaning this blender is easy. You can place the pieces, except for the rotor base and extractor blade, on the top rack of the dishwasher, or hand wash them with soapy water. The motor base you can just wipe down, but as for the blade, we found it almost impossible to reach its underside unless you use a straw cleaning brush. 9.7 out of 10 for usability. The NutriBullet Pro is our top-rated blender that will help those short on time and space enjoy the most nutrient-dense meals. A well-rounded model, it offers all the advantages that full-sized countertop blenders promise: heavy-duty motor, consistent outcomes, and effortless performance in a smaller, more compact footprint. It was the only one that got a maximum point in 3 of 4 of our tests. Its high quality of built materials and overall construction also give it the edge over the competition. Final score, 9.8 out of 10. And there you have it, the full review of the NutriBullet Pro 900 watts personal blender. If you're interested in the blender, there's an Amazon link in the description below. We could include all the specs and every detail on the blender in a single video, so you can check them out on our website. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe so that you won't miss our future uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!